Whether you're ready to cozy up for a massage in your home by the fire or inside a dark room, this massage table by Saloniture is the meal ticket. It is so good, it's great quality. Let me show you the details. First off, it has adjustable legs, so it's very easy to just twist these knobs and raise it up or down depending on your height. To open it, as you saw, it has a cable system, and all you have to do is lock these out, open it up, and she's ready to go. Great padding. It's really nice and cush. And it does come with a face cradle, and then I spent some extra money on the shearling sheepskin facial. Otherwise, if you wanted to put your face here without the cradle, you could do that as well. Underneath, you'll see that there are arms